If you know that neck pain is adding, contributing, or causing your headaches and migraines, then today's video is for you. So today I'm going to show you an exercise to help reduce your neck pain and stiffness to hopefully help decrease your headaches and migraines. Hi, I'm Dr. Beth, osteopath here at Melbourne Headache Solutions. So neck pain and stiffness is one of the most common associated features with headaches and migraines. We know that it is one of the leading causes of headaches and migraines, particularly the top three joints in the neck. But you can't have healthy top three joints in the neck without having a healthy rest of the spine as well. If it feels like concrete and it moves like concrete, then basically you can't have a healthy top part of the spine and you're going to get headaches and migraines. So we need to make sure that your cervical spine, so your neck, is moving nice and healthily to help decrease those headaches and migraines. So particularly for those people who sit at a desk all day, who like to watch TV or play computer games a lot, so basically where you're doing anything that's stagnant, okay, so you're not moving your head a lot, then you have an increased risk of cervical stiffness or neck stiffness going on. So you need to make sure that you're getting your head moving a lot. We also want to make sure that we're not inducing biases into our neck, so we're not doing anything to one side a lot. So this includes stomach sleeping, where you put a lot of pressure down in through your neck to one side, or if you have computer monitors, two computer monitors, that they're not stacked so that you're looking to one side all the time, okay? So these sorts of things can help reduce the bias in your neck. But if you have included biases into your neck, if your neck is very stiff and it's contributing to your headaches and migraines, I have an exercise for you today. So today I'm going to be using a yoga belt to help with my exercise. You can use a yoga belt, you can use a towel, anything really to help get your neck moving, but you do want it to be relatively firm, okay? So you can use a scarf, but it usually has a little bit too much give. So I'd recommend, as I said, my top recommendation is using something like a yoga belt. I don't recommend like a leather belt though, it tends to cut into your neck a bit too much. So we're going to take the yoga belt, we're going to put it around the neck, and then we are going to, so first pick a high point in the neck, it doesn't need to be overly specific, and then we're going to pull it to the side at about a 45-degree angle, pulling relatively firmly. Then we're going to look over the belt and then come back to the center. Look over the belt and then come back to the center. And we'll repeat this 10 times. Okay, as I said, we want to apply relatively firm pressure. Then we put the belt down, lower down in the neck, and we repeat. Okay, and so basically what we're doing is we are fixing the joints. We're fixing a joint in the neck, and we are articulating the joints in the neck over that joint to help increase the movement. Then we repeat it on the other side. So you go up high in the neck, then turn over, and you do that 10 times. Then you do it down lower, and you do that 10 times, applying relatively firm pressure, okay? So you can do this on both sides of your neck if you feel that you are equally stiff, equally stuck on both sides. But if you do feel as though you are more stiff on one side of your neck than the other, or if you only get headaches, say, on the left-hand side of your head, then you might want to try just doing it on one side of your neck, so say the left-hand side of your neck, until you feel like you are more even, and then try doing it on both sides of your neck. So see how you go with that exercise. I'd recommend doing this once a day if you feel like lightly or moderately stuck, but if you feel very stiff and stuck and you've got a higher incidence of headaches and migraines, then I recommend doing this at least twice a day, particularly if you're spending a lot of time sitting in front of your computer. Don't forget, you can also add in your neck rolls as well, your neck circles, to get more motion in through your neck when you can't get to something like your belt or a towel or something like that to do this exercise. Give it a whirl, see how you go, let me know how it is. If you've got any questions or queries, drop a comment below. But hopefully this helps reduce your neck stiffness to help decrease your headaches and migraines. Thanks guys, and I'll catch you next time.